Alrighty, let's show you what it's like down here. Laying down on the ground to try and do this. Because I got to get down there, I got to get the helmet to stay on my head so I can get down below this batten. And there we are. Okay, nothing beautiful, but it's solid. And it's in there. Alright. There's 3.5 sides, so you patch up the other one with the tar. Can't get in. Too much filling, I can't get it. But she's strong enough. She's doing the support, which is holding it up. And I've just got to put 2 bolts in a minute to hold it down, then I can finish painting it. And then when it dries, I can put the tyre on. Okay? So it's ready for concreting. So it doesn't matter if it gets wet after today. This one's done. Alright. So that's where I am. Down on my head below the, well, down flush with the level with my step. Laying down my head on the my beautiful welding rod case as a pillow so I can hold my helmet on. Alrighty, okay. Well, that's that one. I'll show you once we got it bolted down and painted. See ya.